How to fix if your Spirit Airlines application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to launch the application but it's having troubles, first and foremost ensure to have a good internet connection. It could be an issue with internet, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Test by opening other apps or website. Once that is done, restart the app by closing all the background application and open it. This should probably solve the issue. However, you also have to ensure that you have updated the app. So just go to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search icon and then type in Spirit app. Once you see it, if there's an update button, make sure to tap on it. After that, you can restart your device and check if it's functioning. However, if it does not, let's move on to next step. For this, long press your application and then you will have to go to App Info. Then after tap on Storage and Cache and clear the cache. This should now probably work. Sometimes the app may be also down due to the server issues. You can check for the down detector or other such websites to confirm it. If this is the case, you'll have to wait until it gets fixed on their side. However, as an alternative, you can use the Spirit Airlines website. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.